Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about logic functions, and today I'm going to combine these functions. I'm going to combine f with or and f with and. So first of all, I want to find the 9% bonus. If the employee is committed, I will give them 9% bonus. So it's pretty easy. I just use the f function equal sign. If it's true, they will get 9% bonus. This one equal to true, comma, they will get 9% bonus. So I just select this one, multiply by 9%, comma. If they are not committed, they don't get any bonus. I just put 0, close the bracket and enter. You can see it works magically, and they will get the first one get $712 as bonus. And here we can do the same thing for the employee of the month. The employee of the month get 16% bonus. So equal sign if it's true, equal to true, comma, they will get 16% bonus. Select this, multiply by 16%, comma. If they are not, so I just give them like 9% bonus. So I just this one multiply by 9%, close the bracket and enter. You can see for those who's true, they get more bonus here, you can see, and for others we have less bonus. Sometimes we don't need to calculate these things in a separate column. So here, instead of this, here we have the AND function. I want to apply here the F function also. So it's pretty easy. I just write here F and tab. After that, at the end, so we consider all of these as one logic. If it's true, we just multiply monthly salary to multiply by 16%, and if it's false, we multiply this with 9%. Close the bracket and enter. And here we have the bonus here. And also we can apply this in all function also, and we just come here, double click, I just write here before all we write F tab. At the end we consider this as one logic. If it meets, so they will get bonus 9%. So monthly salary multiply by 9%, comma, 0, close the bracket and enter. You can see it works magically, and we could combine F with or here and with F here. So that's it about today. If you're new here, Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.